The next muscle in our series is going to be teres major. Teres major and minor run right along the lateral edge of the scapula. Teres major is a lat assister and does all of the same motions that the lat does, but it basically starts the motion way at the top of the muscle. Lat is the big power muscle. Major is like a balancer muscle that helps fine-tune that movement. So, in order to make sure, so we're in the lateral edge, here is the lateral edge of the scapula, here, and here is the humerus right in the socket. And so this lateral edge, you're going to get both teres major and minor in this space, and it's going to be hard to tell which one you're on. So what you can do is come into this lateral border and ask the client to press down. Actually, let's see, if you put your hand flat and just press your elbow there. If you feel the muscle fire under you, that's major. If you don't, it's minor. All right, and so right now, if I'm right here and have you press your elbow down that way, that's going to be major. And it's going to go all the way from the very bottom corner all the way up to the top attachment on the humerus. And so fascially, I can trace right up through this lateral border to the upper attachment. And again, just to make sure that I'm on the right muscle of the two, I can have the client slightly, so what I'm feeling is that on her major is a little bit more medial and towards the front of her body than minor. So go ahead and do that again. There it is. Okay. And I can just slide right through that space to work on that muscle. Great.